May I ask what's going to happen if I don't?
And get arrested
You get arrested
for remaining after forbidden.
Alright guys, what's going on? So check out this body camera footage out of the state of Louisiana. Here's what's going on here. So you have two police deputies. They go inside of a courtroom and they approach this gentleman. The gentleman in this video, evidently he has some sort of court hearing. I'm not sure if it's for civil, criminal, or whatever else. But nonetheless, the reason that he is in that courtroom on this day is because he has a hearing before a judge. In any event, the reason that the police deputies are there are because they tell him that he either needs to leave the building, leave the courtroom and the courthouse, or he needs to remove his hat. That's right, he's wearing a hat, and they say that that is against policy, and he either needs to remove it or he needs to leave. Now, I will just notate for the record that in the state of Louisiana, they do have a policy for inside the courtrooms that says that you're not allowed to wear a hat in the courtroom. I don't know about the whole courthouse in general, but in this video, you will see they not only tell him he needs to leave the courtroom, but the whole courthouse in general, flat out. So, guys, I personally, I just think it's ridiculous. I mean, yeah, I think it's interesting, and I've been thinking about this, especially with this video. The judicial branch in America, isn't it funny how that's the only branch, the only entity that you're required by law to respect? You're required to respect them, right? And they do that by, you have to get up there, you have to stand before the judge, you have to say, Your Honor. If they tell you you can't wear a hat, you can't wear a hat. If they tell you no flip-flops, no flip-flops. You are required to respect by law, right? And, you know, I don't like those things, you know? If you are summoned to appear before the judge, you know, you can come as you are. That's how I think it should be. So with that, guys, you can draw your own conclusions about what you're about to see in this body camera footage, and I encourage you to do so in the comment section. But with that, we're going to take you to Mandeville, Louisiana, inside of a courtroom where you're about to see a man trespassed for wearing a hat.
All right.
Rules are right up here.
You're going to have to remove the
get a
hat.
continuance and come back and dress appropriately. Okay? Which, no flip-flops, no hat.
I was told to be here today. I will wait for my appearance.
All right, you're going to have to take the hat
You
off.
can come up here, come and get a continuance. You're going to have to take your hat off. You're going to have to put your cell phone out in your car.
I have information that I need on my cell phone. I will refuse that order because I am lawfully allowed to refuse that order because it's not a lawful order.
Okay, well then you will need to leave. The judge has spoken.
I would like to hear that from the judge.
We're telling you now, you need to leave.
I have a lawful reason to leave.
You can put
You can either put the hat up.
and take the hat off.
Yeah.
Okay.
If not, then you're going to have to
Then
leave.
you're going to have to leave.
Then I would like to file for a mistrial as my important information that I need is on my cell phone.
Or then,
Then you just
when
go
you
get a
explain it to
continuance.
the judge, if you want us to stay, if she says go get your phone out of your car,
Yeah, then you
and
can go
you
get
want
it.
to see it, then you can go do it. But right now, you're not going to record in here. It's
I
not-
never said I was recording.
All right,
You
well,
said you were going to record.
I said I would like to petition to do so.
You cannot. So the judge has asked you to go put your
Yeah.
phone in your car.
And I need my phone.
all right, well, she asked you to go get it, then she'll let you go get
And
it.
then she'll let you go get it.
So you
Right
can
now,
put your hat up in the car.
Your
And,
phone is going to go in your car, and your hat is going to come off if you're coming back from here.
What would the consequences for that be? And also, is this being recorded?
Yes, we are recording.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? We have a right to do that. We are authorized by the court to do
Yes.
that. You are not.
I am a member of the public, and therefore I have the right of the press.
all right, look, you can
You're
either
not
take
a
your hat
member
off.
of the
They,
press.
Yes, I am, actually.
No, you're
all right.
not.
Everybody is a member of the press because we all have the rights of the press.
All right.
No, we're not.
So you need to take the hat off and go put the phone up, and then you can come back.
Then you can come back in.
May I ask what's going to happen if I don't?
And get arrested
You get arrested because
for remaining after forbidden,
we're telling you to leave.
disturbing the peace because they're going to try to get the court started.
This is a public place. And
All right,
these
well,
are
you could
public
still be
proceedings.
disturbing the peace because they want to get on with their trial and get on with their business.
You're not addressed appropriately.
And how does that disturb somebody else?
It's keeping us from
You're keeping us from starting court.
How?
If I have to put my hands on you, you're going to go to jail. And I don't want to do that.
Okay, so under threat of arrest, I will comply. What is your name and badge number?
Officer Stephen Tarzia, badge 228.
Name and badge number, please.
I am Cal Miaza, number 160.
Thank you. And I will be able to. I assume you're recording
Yes.
under.
You can come up
You
here
can go
right
get it-
now.
you can go get a copy
We'll
of
get you a continuance, and you just come back dressed appropriately with no phone.
You can stay as long as you just take the hat off and put the phone up.
Well, I can't put my phone up. I can't comply
Okay,
with
then
that.
go
I
get
need
a,
my
all right,
phone.
then go get a continuance.
You need to continue to say, well, you can't come to court like that.
No flip-flops, no hat,
Dress appropriate.
dress appropriate. Look, here's the rules up here.
I understand that, and those rules are unconstitutional.
Okay,
Okay.
well, you can.
Take it to the
you can
Supreme
either
Court.
Come to court dressed appropriately or not come to court and we'll issue a warrant for you, so make up your mind, we don't care. What's going on?
Actually, technically, I can be right here.
All right, we're asking you to leave the building. All right, they need you, because even here you can disturb, you're disturbing the business going on and the trials that are going to be happening.
This is a public
So you need to,
building.
all right, we're asking you to please leave
Could I at least file a FOIA request or something
for,
what's going to be your body camera footage?
all right, if you need to.
don't do that, you
yeah,
can do that
You
to
do
the
have to plead, if you
Mandeville
need to make a complaint against me, you can go to the Mandeville Police Station. It's right over here.
Okay. What? I mean, I've stepped out of the.
All right, we're,
Yes,
this
you have
is continuing.
no business
Yeah.
in here right now.
This is a public building.
You have no business in here right now.
All right, need you to leave, sir. And then you can come back when you dress appropriately, okay?
I'm no longer in the court.
All right, this is still part of the courtroom, okay?
No,
So
it is
you-
not. This is part of the public,
All right, sir.
public lobby.
All right. You can get arrested for remaining at the forbidden or disturbing the peace, because you're still disturbing what's going on in there. Because we want to conduct business, okay?
I'm trying to be polite and respectful.
Okay,
So,
we're asking you to leave, sir.
so you're saying that unless I completely leave this public lobby,
Yes,
I
I
will
will
be
go out to
arrested.
your car
Yes.
and leave.
Enjoy your lawsuit.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Watch out for the door, might hit you again.